Hi, my name is Ozana Jaurelius, and I'm from Sweden, and I have been playing Cashflow 101 in for 15, 16 years. Um, it was a tips from my brother because I always told him, and I always told everyone that I want to be a businesswoman, and my goal and dream in life is to build a business empire. So I started with this game, and it really brainwashes you into seeing opportunities everywhere. So nowadays I am investing. I have a couple of businesses. I did a couple of flips, and yeah, I am already out of the rat race. Uh, it was really good achievement, I believe, being so young, and I'm very happy and grateful. Um, and I still play the game actually regularly because it's not only fun, but you also get to meet people that are very inspiring, that you can discuss with, that you can maybe collaborate with in the future, and people that are on the same wavelength with you. So yeah, I think it's really fun, and I actually play it pretty often, I think.